Actuate Therapeutics is developing elraglusib, a novel GSK-3 beta inhibitor targeting a central driver of cancer progression. Cancer remains one of the world's greatest health challenges. Cancer cells accumulate genetic mutations that drive tumor growth and resistance to treatment. The surrounding tumor microenvironment further reinforces drug resistance by promoting desmoplastic reaction and creating abnormal vasculature that protect the tumor. As the tumor evolves, it becomes effectively invisible to the immune system, a cold tumor that immune cells fail to recognize or attack. Over time, cancer cells continue to grow and adapt, leading to metastasis and ultimately death. A key regulator behind these processes is the protein kinase, GSK-3 beta. In cancer cells, it becomes overexpressed and abnormally active, promoting chemoresistance, immune suppression, and tumor growth. Elraglusib, a GSK-3 inhibitor, is designed to overcome these barriers on multiple fronts. Elraglusib crosses the membrane of cancer cells and binds GSK-3 beta. By blocking this overactive kinase, elraglusib disrupts the oncogenic signals that keep cancer cells alive, growing, and treatment resistant. Beyond direct tumor killing, elraglusib restores sensitivity to chemotherapy and activate the immune system. It helps shift a cold tumor into a hot, invisible one, boosts activity of both T cells and NK cells, and supports a durable anti-tumor immune response. With a multimodal mechanism, elraglusib delivers a powerful and coordinated anti-tumor response. Elraglusib directly kills cancer cells, restores chemosensitivity, and activates the immune system to drive tumor regression and lasting control. In a phase 1-2 trial, elraglusib showed a favorable safety profile and evidence of clinical benefit both as monotherapy and in combination with chemotherapy. Notably, objective responses were observed in diverse malignancies, including complete and partial responses in patients with metastatic melanoma, relapsed refractory Ewing sarcoma, metastatic pancreatic cancer, and T-cell lymphoma, supporting elraglusib's clinical activity across multiple tumor types. Actuate Therapeutics, targeting cancer on multiple fronts.